10 Frugal Living Tips During High Inflation. Frugal living can be a great way to save money, especially during times of high inflation, when the cost of living is rising. Here are 10 frugal living tips that can help you stretch your budget and save money during high inflation. Create a budget. The first step to saving money is to know where your money is going. Create a budget that tracks your income and expenses, so you can see where you can cut back. Cut unnecessary expenses. Look for areas where you can cut back on expenses, such as canceling subscriptions or memberships that you don't use often, or switching to a cheaper cell phone plan. Shop around for the best prices. Don't just settle for the first price you see. Take the time to shop around and compare prices to get the best deal. Use coupons and discounts. Coupons and discounts can add up to significant savings over time. Look for coupons and discounts on everything from groceries to clothing to entertainment. Buy in bulk. Buying in bulk can save you money on items that you use frequently, such as toilet paper, paper towels, and non-perishable food items. Grow your own food. If you have a green thumb, consider starting a vegetable garden to save money on produce. You can also save money by preserving your own food, such as canning or freezing excess produce. Cut back on dining out. Eating out can be expensive, especially during times of high inflation. Consider cooking at home more often to save money on meals. Repair rather than replace. Instead of replacing items that are broken or worn out, try to repair them instead. This can save you money on replacements and also reduce waste. Use public transportation or carpool. Gas prices can be volatile during times of high inflation, so consider using public transportation or carpooling to save money on fuel costs. Look for ways to make extra money. Finally, consider looking for ways to make extra money, such as taking on a side hustle or selling items you no longer need. Every little bit can help during times of high inflation. By following these frugal living tips, you can save money and stretch your budget during times of high inflation.